Hi everyone, my name is Gaurav and this is my YouTube channel. This is the first ever video I am uploading. Today I want to talk about something that might be familiar to many of you who use ChatGPT or similar AI models. Have you ever encountered its limitation of providing information only up to January 2022? If you haven't, let's experience it together. So we will search ChatGPT. Most of you are familiar with ChatGPT, right? So let's ask ChatGPT about something that happened after January 2022. Like, what is Llama 2? So, as expected, it doesn't know because it is trained only up to January 2022 data. But fear not, there is a solution. GPT-4, the paid version of OpenAI that offers more up-to-date information. However, not everyone prefers to pay for such services when there are free alternatives available. That's where open source LLM models come into handy. Today, I'll show you how to run an open source LLM model locally using LM Studio, an easy to use desktop application. So let's dive into LM Studio. Here it is. So you can download it for Mac, Windows or Linux, making it accessible to everyone. So I'll download it for Windows. So I have already downloaded it. I'll just open LM Studio. So once downloaded, run the setup file to install in your system. Now let's explore the home page of LM Studio. This is the home page. Here you will find a search box where you can find various models like Llama 2, Mistral. And if you scroll down, you can just read about the models like Mistral 7B. The Mistral 7B Instruct Large Language Model is an improved Instruct fine-tuned version of Mistral 7B Instruct v0.1. So we can download the models as per our requirement. I'll search for Llama 2. So here it is. It is the block Llama 2 7 billion chat GGUF. So basically these are the quantized version of the actual model, and you can find these models on Hugging Face website as well. So we can download it from here. So we can download any model available here as per our system specs. So I have put it on download, the 4.65 GB version, and it is getting downloaded. So as we can see, the download has been completed. So to test the model, we will go to the message icon here at the left corner. We'll go to the message icon and start loading our model. We'll select the model and choose the model we just downloaded, that 4.65 GB version. The model is getting loaded. You can see the RAM usage and CPU usage. On the right hand side, we can see the system settings. We have settings to adjust, like this is the system prompt, and we have a GPU offload. If you have GPU in your system, you can check this GPU offload. We have inference parameters, temperature, tokens to generate. So this is the prompt format. So now let's enter a prompt. So how about write a poem on artificial intelligence. So it is generating. Oh, artificial intelligence, so bright and bold, a force that's changing the world as it's unfold. So you can see the Llama 2 chat is generating the text. So this is the open source model we are using locally. So this is the complete sentence the Llama 2 has given us, and it's quite good. So now let's see how you can use your local server with LM Studio to generate text. Now we'll not use LM Studio, we'll just use the server from the LM Studio. First go to the connection menu and start the server. We'll go to the local server. Here the server port is 1234 and we'll just start the server and we will load our model, that is Block Llama 2 7 billion chat HF, and we'll just copy the Python code from here and we'll create a Python script in our local system. So I'll create a folder on local machine to write a Python script. I'll name it as OpenAI. I'll open it in VS Code. I'll create a Python file named a.py and I'll just paste the code from LM Studio to my VS Code, and I'll mention the model name as well. Model name I use here is the block Llama 2 7 billion chat. I'll just copy paste here and I'll change the question as well to what is Python. I'll save it and I'll open the terminal to just download OpenAI. First I'll create a conda environment. So conda create -n OpenAI Llama Python equals to 3.10. So the packages are being installed. After the packages are being installed successfully, we will just activate the conda environment. So proceed yes. Packages are being installed, so we'll just initiate our environment by conda.bat activate OpenAI Llama. After successful initiation of this environment, I'll just run my Python file. It is python a.py. Sorry, I didn't install OpenAI, so I'll just install it. Pep install OpenAI. Yeah, it is successfully installed and now I can run my Python file. So yeah, it is running. We can check the logs as well from the local server connection. Yeah, here is the logs. As you can see, it is generating Python is a programming language. So yes, it is working fine. Yeah, so used for web development and data analysis too. So we can check the local as well. This is the output. Python is a programming language that's quite grand, and it's used for web development and data analysis. You see, with its easy to learn syntax and versatile features. And we can check the LM Studio as well. Here is the output in the content section. Here it is. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one. Thank you.